Today, we're going to be talking about how to know when your watermelons and cantaloupes are ripe for the pick. Sweet summertime. So it's the middle of August and you've worked so hard up until this point growing your watermelons. So how in the world do you know if they're actually ripe or not? Do you look on the underside and see if it's got a white belly? I've heard that one before. Do you smell it to see if it smells sweet? Do you thump it to see if it's hollow or not? Well, I can tell you one surefire way to know if your watermelons are ripe or not. All right, so this is how you know if your watermelons are actually ripe. Come in a little bit closer and I'll show you. At the end of the watermelon where the stem protrudes out, you will find what they call a curlicue. And it's not so curly anymore because it's brown. When it's green, it's not ripe. When it's halfway brown, you'll know it's almost ready. And when it's solid brown like this, you know it's ready to pick. Okay, that's an example of one that is ripe. If we shift over here, I can show you an example of one that is not ripe. We got this little guy growing here. Again, you want to go up the stem, follow out this way, and you can see a green curlicue. And this right here lets you know that this watermelon needs to grow a little more. Okay, I think I got one more example of a watermelon that's not quite ready yet. So if we shift over here, you can see that if you follow up the stem on this one, goes up to here, there's a curlicue, but it's halfway brown, still got a lot of green to it. So this lets you know that it's not ready yet, but it will be ready in the next few days. So that's how you know if your watermelons are ripe. Now, how in the world do you know if your cantaloupes are ripe? I got good news. It's the easiest thing in the world. Come over here and I'll show you. All right, this cantaloupe here is starting to turn. This is a solid green one. When they start turning this golden color, you know they're getting close. And oh, I just prodded this one and it fell right off the vine. And that's actually how you know if they're ripe. You just give the vine a little tug and they'll actually pop right off. This one did. Smells sweet. I can guarantee you this one is ready to eat. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a few things. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified every time we release a new video. And trust me, we are working on some great videos to come. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna go enjoy the fruits of my labor.